Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today I'm filming the 2018 Toyota Camry XSE V6. This car has 301 horsepower and 267 pound-feet of torque. It's an awesome car to drive. Very fun, very cool. This is all courtesy of Toyota of Nashua. Go ahead and I'll leave a link to their website in the description. Check out, say hi to Christian for me. He's the one that helped me set all this up. Just wanted to do a quick walk around before the rain comes in. Alright, so once you're inside, it's a very comfortable place to be. Go ahead, put the key right here, start it up. Very good startup sound. You have your startup for the entertainment right there. Of course, you have the JBL sound system in here. Your climate control settings all right here. I had the window sticker. There it is. So this is the window sticker for this car. So as you can see, it's the 2018 XSE V6 sedan. Midnight black is the color with the black leather in here. Options, the driver assist package, which is the bird's eye view camera, navigation package, the Entune 3.0 premium audio with JBL, dynamic navigation, and those are the options there. So all of those bring the car to $37,835, which is not too bad. About a little bit more expensive than the Mazda 6, but not too bad. Your seat heaters are here. You have your different driving modes, Eco, Normal, and Sport. Right here is your wireless phone charger, which I think is awesome. You have your power outlets in here, glove box, paddle shifters, wipers, blinkers, automatic headlights, traction control off, your camera view, which is here. So you have surround view camera, which is awesome. But yeah, your trunk release. Trunk is massive in this. Of course, you have all 4 power windows. Your mirror adjustments here. Panoramic sunroof. Great rear space. Huge deep glove box with USB chargers in there. Carpet down on the bottom. It does have the auto parking brake, which is really good feature. But yeah, let's go ahead, take a drive of this car. The day I've been waiting for a while now. You can see the camera comes up to assist with parking, which it is very useful. You have sensors in the front and back to tell you when you are approaching an object. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. You have the heads-up display, which tells you your speed and such, as well as your RPMs, which is actually the first time I've seen that in a heads-up display. Except for in the higher end stuff. It's a pretty nice Mustang. A little bit of car spotting. Also on the heads-up display is your speed limit, which which is also displayed right up there in the gauge cluster. If you don't want that up, you just press the camera button. And actually, that's another thing I wanted to show. It has cameras in the mirrors to show your lanes. But that's how you can shut it off right there. You can set how intermittent you want the wipers to be. If you want it more often than not, it's right there. If you want it less often, you drop that down. Really good sounding. Really impressive sound. Very good pull from this V6 engine. Great in turn in. Good amount of grip. Rides very, very smooth. Glad I got the filming done before the rain. So that's your lane departure warning. Wanted to test that out for you. It will continue to do that unless you signal. If you signal, it won't do it. I like that better than the Mazda, where it just rumbles the steering wheel and you're not sure what it is. That you know what it is, and it flashes up on the heads-up display as well. I'm actually impressed by this car. The ride is very, very smooth. Very comfortable to drive. Another weird comment, I like the sound of the turn signals. It's not aggressive, it sounds very luxurious. Put it into sport with the manual mode here. Your gear is shown on your heads-up display. It's quick. It has a ton of torque. An absolute ton of torque. I am thoroughly impressed with this car. Here we go. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, it's so good. So much power. This is out of a Toyota Camry, guys. Oh yes. Yep. I like it. One thing I noticed is the paddles, the manual mode's a little weird. It's not a manual mode. It's almost like it just limits the gear that it's in. It will shift if it has to. So if you put it in, say, second gear, S2, it will not go past second gear. It will stay in second gear. See, that's why I filmed beforehand. I didn't want my camera out in that. Sport mode does tighten up the steering quite a bit. It's not unbearable, however. That bird almost just got killed. Overall, this is an awesome car to drive. I highly suggest you buy one. And I highly suggest you buy one from Toyota of Nashua. And my friend over there, Christian, helped me out today and helping me set up these reviews for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, anything you want to do. Just don't dislike. And have a great day.